Hi, welcome. Thank you for joining me today. What we're going to do is present to you LG's Ultimate Laundry Solutions. We will start off with our AIDD front load washer dryer, followed by the Miniwash, and dual inverter heat pump dryer. Last but not least will be the LG Styler. What we have here is the latest AIDD front load washer dryer together with the Miniwash. So what is here is basically the main wash with the mini washer. It allows us to have best of both worlds, keeping our color separate, keeping our undergarments separate as well. Looking at the design, our tempered glass technology offers flexibility in everyday situations. We have the Singapore's first AIDD technology. This means Artificial Intelligence Direct Drive. This means fabric detection. When you put your clothes in, it detects the level of softness and hardness and adjusts the washing mode accordingly. The biggest benefit of AIDD is offers up to 18% fabric care so that you can keep your favorite garments for longer. This AIDD mode is only available in 3 modes: cotton, mixed fabric, and easy care. Our LG's Direct Drive 6 motion technologies offers you a wide range of washing patterns for your delicate clothes all the way to a heavy duty clothes. Next, we'll move on to the Wash 360. So notice the washing nozzles. There's 4 portions over here. It gives you maximum washing effect while reducing your wash time. In fact, with the wash cycle, the Wash 39, it allows you to complete your laundry in under 40 minutes. Not just that, steam has always been a big part in LG's washer. Steam provides you better hygiene, more dewrinkling, that means your clothes will be smoother, and getting rid of all the germs, allergens, bacteria. In fact, there's a steam refresh mode over here that you can use to refresh and sanitize your clothes without washing them. To end this off, LG appliances are equipped with ThinQ function, which is an app that you can download and operate. You can monitor even when out of the house, and this app allows you to download customized cycles for the washer as well. Not just that, this is capable of integration with Google Home, so you can operate the washer with your voice command. What I've done is basically just summarize the washing machine capabilities. We hope it will be a good investment for you. We're going to introduce next our most energy efficient LG dual inverter heat pump dryer. This is available in a 9 kg drying capacity, and it's also been certified by NEA to give you a 5 ticks energy savings efficiency. On top of that, this model is made in Korea. So let's have a look at the interior of the dryer. Notice there's a built-in LED lamp making operation in the dark better. It also has 2 lane filters to trap dirt better. Well, you might wonder, why is dual inverter heat pump technology all about? Basically, it means that in a compressor, there's 2 cylinders that give you best of both worlds. When you want faster drying, you use more energy consumption. When you have slower drying, you have more energy savings. So this is your own preference. On top of that, our heat pump dryer offers a low heat temperature of around 50 to 60 degrees, which is gentle for clothes, and it prevents shrinkage. Next, another part is basically the allergy care mode, which offers up to 99.99% allergen removal. This is proven and tested by the British Allergy Foundation. My next favorite part about the heat pump dryer is basically the auto cleaning capability. So what this means is the excess collected water, the condensed water, cleans the filter, and this means that all we need to do is basically just remove the excess water and drain it away. Not just that, of all LG appliances, we have the ThinQ app that allows you to download the app and control the appliance. I even offer you download cycles that you can use. One example will be the fabric door and shoes care mode. And not just that, you can pair up the ThinQ app with Google Home for voice commands control. We're going to introduce our LG Styler next. So what is the LG Styler? It is a steam clothing care system together with moving hangers and true steam technology that allows you for wrinkle removal, sanitization, and also odor removal. So true steam technology is perfect for our jackets, winter wear, our dresses, our shirts, pants, even your baby carriers, your headwear, soft toys, things that you think that cannot be washed. Let us move on to the design. The slim design allows the styler to be placed in all different parts of the home. While there's 2 color options to choose from, what you see here is the white version. We also have a full-length mirrored version. You notice the styler has touch-sensitive buttons, which is elegant design without any buttons that stick out. So Let us move on to the actual operation of the styler. So it has a hanging system where I can hang my clothes, and notice the slanted section whereby I can hang clothes which is a bit wider. There is also a rack which is detachable in case the things that you want cannot be hanged on the hangers, such as soft toys, a pants press section over here for nicely pressed pants. You also get the option of the aroma fragrance therapy for your favorite fragrance. The styler is very low maintenance. All you need to do is basically just top out your water tank and drain off. One is for topping up, the other one is for disposal. Let us move on to the functions of the styler. We have the refresh mode, which is basically removal of bad smell and de-wrinkling function. As quick as 20 minutes all the way to 1 hour. Next, we move on to special care. Special care is whereby it is a mode for your suits, coats, your wool needs, sportswear, or even your download cycles. What do I mean by download cycles? With the help of our LG ThinQ app, you can download additional customized cycles such as fur and leather care or even silkwear. There's another sanitary mode which is much longer in duration. It can go all the way up to 2 hours of operation, and there's a few options to choose from: normal, bathing, fine dust, and heavy duty. So how it works is basically the moving hangers together with True Steam technology shakes away all the odors and wrinkles, which means getting away all the bad things that we don't want. Next, the dryer also has a gentle dry function. One example will be a rain jacket caught in a rain shower. You can use it to do a gentle drying. It offers a low 50 to 60 degrees drying operation for the gentle dry cycle. Not just that, there is a dehumidify function to maintain the perfect moisture level for your room as well. Just take note that the dehumidify function means that you need to open the styler door and let it run its dehumidifying cycle. We mentioned about the styler and all the fantastic features. So as part of LG's ThinQ family, it is operable with the app as well. It allows you to download the customized cycles, and you can monitor when you're out of the home or office. It offers full Google Home integration as well for voice commands. Thank you for joining us today. So what we've presented to you is LG's ultimate laundry solution. We hope it will be a perfect solution to your laundry needs. Thank you and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.